Olden might just be one of the most beautiful cruise ports in Norway, but with only one port day here, there's one big question. What actually worth doing? Should you visit the famous Loen Skylift for breathtaking mountain views, or head to the Briksdal Glacier for a completely different kind of nature experience? And what can you realistically do on your own without booking a cruise excursion? In this Olden Cruise Port guide, I'll show you what's worth your time, what takes more planning, and how to make the most of your day in one of Norway's most scenic fjord ports. I'm Bibi, and with me it's time to set course. But first, let's enjoy sailing into Olden. Arriving here though the fjord is already part of the experience. If you like to skip ahead, feel free to jump to the next chapter.
Keep moving on, keep moving on. The dawn is open, the tide is strong. Hold that line, hold that line. The shore is calling right ahead of us. Now the engines roll and the mast leans proud. Every wave behind us sounds like a vow. Faces turn forward, eyes on the coast. One more horizon, then we become more.
Before we look at what you can actually do here in Olden, let's start as always with the most important things you should know for your port day. In Olden, people speak Norwegian, but just like in most of Norway, English is spoken almost everywhere, so getting around is very easy for international visitors. Norway uses the Norwegian krone. Credit card works pretty much everywhere, even at smaller coffees or local vendors. Norway uses just one time zone across the entire country, so planning your day is very straightforward. The main cruise season here runs loosely from May through September, but there's one thing you really shouldn't underestimate: the weather. Even during summer, temperatures in the mountains can drop surprisingly low, so even if the weather looks perfect at the sea level, always bring layers. Especially if you're planning to visit Loen Skylift or higher elevations. Internet access is easy, EU roaming usually works normally in Norway, and many places always offer free Wi-Fi. Cruise ships stop in Olden mainly because of its incredible location deep inside the North Fjord. This is one of those Norway cruise stops that's all about the scenery. You're here for the mountains, the glaciers and the breathtaking landscapes, not necessarily for the village itself. And honestly, just sailing into Olden is already part of what makes the stop special. The good news: cruise ships dock directly in the small harbor of Olden. There's no large cruise terminal here, you simply step off the ship and you're already right in town. Everything feels very compact and easy to navigate. And because the village is so small, you never feel lost here. One of the best things about Olden, it's incredibly easy to navigate. You can comfortably walk everywhere around the harbor area. The village itself is small, compact and very relaxed. Right near the port, you also find local excursion providers and shuttle buses, especially for places like Loen Skylift or organized glacier tours. So even if you haven't booked anything in advance, you usually still have options once you arrive. Let's talk about the biggest highlight for many cruise passengers, the Loen Skylift. And if you only remember one thing from this video, it is, yes, in my opinion, it's absolutely worth it. The gondola takes you from sea level to more than 1,000 meters above sea level in just a few minutes. And the views? Honestly spectacular. To see dramatic mountain landscapes, the fjord below and some of the most beautiful scenery Norway has to offer. But what makes this place special is that there's more to do than just enjoy the view. Once you're at the top, you have different options depending on how active you want to be. You can simply enjoy the panorama, take photos and warm up in the coffee, or you can head out onto one of the hiking trails. There are several options, from short scenic walks to more demanding hikes further into mountains. One important thing to know though, don't underestimate the weather here, even in summer. During our visit there was actually so much snow that we sank in almost knee deep in some places. So if you're planning to hike, good shoes are absolutely essential. My honest recommendation, even if you're not a hiker, Loen Skylift is still worth it for the view alone. If mountain views aren't your thing or you want something completely different, Briksdal Glacier is probably the second major highlight in Olden. To get there, you first take a bus ride of around 30 to 40 minutes from the port area, and once you arrive, you've got a few options. You can walk the full route yourself, which takes roughly 45 to 60 minutes each way, and honestly, the walk itself is part of the experience. You pass waterfalls, mountain scenery, and incredible glacier landscapes along the way. But if you prefer something easier or you're traveling with children, there's another option: trail cars. These are small open vehicles that take you most of the way towards the glacier. That means less walking and a much more relaxed experience. If you're traveling with kids or simply want something more relaxed, the hop-on hop-off bus around Olden can actually be a really good option. The tour takes around an hour and stops at several scenic locations near Olden. Depending on the route, this may include places like waterfalls, glacier viewpoints, and smaller local attractions. You can hop off if something catches your interest, or simply stay on board and enjoy the scenery. And here's one practical advantage: the buses are heated, which honestly can be very welcome if the weather turns cold or rainy. So if you're looking for a comfortable mix of sightseeing without too much planning, this can work really well. Here's my honest recommendation for Olden. Everything close to the harbor area is easy to do independently. But once you start heading further into nature, especially to places like Briksdal Glacier, organized transport often makes life much easier. Not because independent travel is impossible, but simply because it saves time and reduces stress during a short port stop. Loen Skylift, on the other hand, is very easy to organize on your own. So if you prefer flexibility, this is definitely one of the best DIY options in Olden. Let's talk quickly about cost, because Norway is definitely not the cheapest destination. Olden follows pretty typical Norwegian pricing, especially when it comes to excursion. Loen Skylift is usually somewhere between 50 and 60 euros depending on ticket type and transport. Hop-on hop-off buses are usually in the range of 35 to 45 euros. Cruise line excursions tend to be significantly more expensive. The good news, just like everything else in Norway, credit cards work almost everywhere, so there's really no need to carry much cash. My recommendation: if you visit Olden, lean into the nature experience. Pick one major highlight, enjoy it properly. If you want spectacular mountain views with minimal effort, Loen Skylift is hard to beat. If you prefer waterfalls, glaciers, scenery, and a more active adventure, Briksdal Glacier is probably the better fit. Either way, Olden is one of those places where the scenery does most of the work. If you'd like to plan your Olden port day in more detail, you find additional information and helpful links in the description below. I've also linked my cruise port guides and planning tips on my website. For now, it's time to cast off, and I'll see you in the next one.
Your hand in mine, salt on the sail, the harbor breeze, a slow good night. We leave the shore before the night. The tide leans in, the oars go still. I hear the hush before the fill. Your voice says low, we're almost free. The dark makes room for what will be. Seco, seco, into the open blue. Seco, seco, I'll follow final knot, a final look. The moon comes up on fractured white and paints our wake in silver light. The wind turns sharp, the canvas wakes. 100 stars begin to break. Your hand still knows the way to steer, and every mile feels clear, feels near. Into the open blue. I'll follow you. The day fades out, the waves rise tall. We'll answer it all. If the shore